Introducing our new large capacity ducted range, now available in R32, with 4 models available in the range. The ARTH65 unit is an 18 kilowatt and is available in single and 3-phase. Our ARTH72 is a 20 kilowatt model, and our ARTH90 is a 22.4 kilowatt unit. We got lots of feedback from the market in the development phase of these models. We had some engineers visit from Japan who actually got up in some roofs and really made sure that we were taking the needs of our customer into mind. We really focused on the installability to make that easier. And we had to look at the important features to reduce the physical size of the unit, the weight, and making sure the installability was a lot easier for our installers and customers. There's some massive differences between the old and new indoor units. The first aspect was around the physical size and weight of the unit, up to 31 kilos lighter than our old model. The other aspect was the physical dimensions of the unit, making it a physical size that is a lot stronger and workable to the Australian climate. The other next big feature and innovation was around the piping and using flared fittings instead of brazed fittings, taking the need out of having to have some sort of MAPS gas or oxyacetylene when installing, but also from a pipe point of view, the physical size has reduced in all of the key 4 models. So the 18 kilowatt is 3858 pipe, and the 72 and 90 is 1/2 inch 3/4 pipe. The next innovation from an indoor unit point of view is we have a truss cut out as standard on the model. So when it is in those tighter installation spaces, we can work the unit in around the truss, which is a big opportunity for our installers to make their life a lot easier in the tighter roof applications. And one of the industry leading features that we have is the handles. Each section of the units has handles that can be held onto to make it very, very easy to maneuver, not just in and out of the roof, but also in the roof space and leading up to the roof space. And finally, the request that has come through all of our R&D initiatives was having a splittable indoor unit, but making sure it's very, very easy to split. So we have 5 screws at the top, 2 on each side with a clip, and 1 electrical connection to separate the unit. All the screws are a hex head, so when the installer's in the roof, when it's dark and tight, it's just looking for the hex heads to reinstall or take apart to separate the unit. The key improvements to the outdoor unit first starts from the physical weight and size. The weight has reduced up to 108 kilos from an old versus new perspective. The outdoor unit is side discharge, which has also helped us reduce the physical dimensions. Being side discharge as well, we had to make sure that we were mindful of the space off the front of the unit. And with our new design, it only requires 500 mil off the front. Very, very excitingly, we're able to power the indoor unit from the outdoor unit. So no separate circuit is required to the indoor unit. The outdoor unit has flared fittings from a pipe point of view as well in that reduced size. The new improvement to the outdoor units includes 4 different options to connect the pipework, so from the front, side, rear or bottom of the unit. Another big innovation for us was the actual breaker size for the unit. Firstly, the single phase 18 kilowatt unit requires a 32 amp breaker. The 3-phase 18 kilowatt unit requires a 16 amp breaker. And for the 20 and 22.4 kilowatt unit, they both require only a 20 amp electrical breaker. The new high static ducted range has a max ambient temperature operation of 50 degrees, taking in mind the hot Australian climate. The outdoor unit on the ARTH90, our 22.4 kilowatt rated model, has a max ramped up capacity of 26 kilowatts. To all the installers out there, it's time to give the new model a go. It's lighter, smaller physical dimensions, easier to maneuver, saving you time and money. Give the unit a go, and I am sure you'll be back to buy the next one.